This is in front of the Russian embassy in
American.
Chanakyapuri and an American embassy. This is Delhi administration for you.